So the D50 is a PCM cross synth. It's like a hybrid. Roland brought this out in the late 80s. Computer memory being like such a limitation. If you think back to like the size of a floppy disk, they really struggled with storage capacity back then. They basically loaded all the PCM sound sources as like really short sounds to save on storage. And we've just got this tone balance, which affects this joystick. So we've got U for upper and L for lower. They've incorporated this output mode through these 4 different options that you have. The output of the upper, the lower, and then the reverb as well. And you can choose like how it affects all 3 signals. I don't feel like I have my own unique sound just yet. I recommend just like honing in on maybe like a couple of styles of music. Once you learn those really well, if you use a few of the elements together and figure out what works and what sounds good, if everybody's using like, let's say Purity to create a specific type of beat and you don't have Purity, use like Xenology or something, maybe you'll come up with some different sounds and use it for that style of music that people haven't heard before. Just really zone in on your production. You can't mix a bad song to sound good, but a good song that's poorly mixed still sounds good. When you're making beats, how do you go about structuring them? I start with the melody first, and I might have like probably 5 sounds. And then once I've got that, I usually build drums. Then from there, I'll just like duplicate it, maybe take some elements out. Once I've kind of got 2 sections, duplicate that again. Now we kind of have like a body of a song. This is your best friend. You go in and highlight everything, and then you just press 0 on your number pad and it will mute certain things. So now we've got this first section and it's the same, but we've taken out certain things so it sounds new. So for this third section, I'm going to take out this. Maybe I'll add like a new melody so that this section has like its own melody up here. While I'm doing this, I'm just playing the whole beat back. It's a little bit boring in this section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom right in and I'm just going to mute this end bit and see how that sounds. You can kind of see how this is starting to look more organic in a way. It's a lot less repetitive than if I just duplicated like 4 of the same section. Just focus on your melody until it sounds full, then duplicate that and take some things out, and then maybe duplicate it again and then add something new. That's usually where I'm at. It's about finding the balance of like what is repetitive enough for it to be familiar, but when is it appropriate for me to add something new or take something out without each of the sections being too different. Playing the whole beat back and listening to it as a whole will really help you work that out. Thanks for watching once again today. Leave a comment, leave a like, make sure to subscribe, check out my Patreon if you want to cop this project file, my stash kit, and my loops. It's all included in the membership. Appreciate you guys supporting me, and I'll see you in the next video.